Breaking now, the response has come from the Lieutenant Governor's office. This immediately after a new appointment was made for the post of Principal Secretary. The Lieutenant Governor's office has rejected Rajendra Kumar's appointment. This after Arvind Kejriwal had made the appointment after transferring Principal Secretary Anindya Majumdar. Anindya Majumdar's office had also been sealed. It had been locked without prior intimation. Now remember, after the transferring of Anindya Majumdar, the Lieutenant Governor had objected, saying that that was null and void. Aditya now joins us for more on this. Now, Aditya, just as we said, this is a constant jousting going on between the LG's office and the Delhi government. The latest one now coming in with the LG's office rejecting Rajendra Kumar's appointment.
Well, absolutely. This is a full-blown war out in public now. It's in public domain, and highly placed sources in the Delhi government have confirmed to us that the appointment of Rajendra Kumar, the Principal Secretary, who was taking over the position and in fact responsibilities of Anindya Majumdar, an upright officer who was removed by Arvind Kejriwal in a very unceremonious manner, has been now rejected. Now those sources are also confirming a letter from the Lieutenant Governor's office has been shot to Arvind Kejriwal and other authorities, saying yet again that this entire appointment is void. In the last occurrence, Anindya Majumdar was removed, and that was rejected by the LG's office, and that is why this appointment does not stand any ground. It does not stand any legal ground, and also violates the constitution, and that's what the Lieutenant Governor has mentioned in that letter. So certainly it is a blow for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was really going his way. He was not in consultation with the Lieutenant Governor or any other competent authority in this particular occurrence of events, but certainly there has been a political blame game since the Chief Secretary Shakuntala Gamblin was really appointed, and Arvind Kejriwal perhaps did not want her in the place of Chief Secretary. This morning, Times Now first reported that both the rooms of Anindya Majumdar on the second floor and the seventh floor of Delhi Secretariat were also sealed.